Good morning, my dear student. Today we are going to starting a workbook exercise of unit number 4 on page number 36. Here the name of this chapter is Alice in Wonderland, and this you all aware about this little story of Alice in Wonderland. So today we are going to fill up this workbook exercise. Okay. So first one we will start it with the questions answers. Here the first question is like that: describe the rabbit that Alice saw. Okay, so here we can describe about the rabbit which saw by Alice. Okay, so here we can write here the Alice was white with pink eyes and he was wearing a blue coat. Okay, we all know that this rabbit was really different from other rabbits, and her eyes is just like pink eyes, and also he was wearing a blue coat. Okay, that is a waistcoat. Now second one, what did the rabbit do as he hurried away? So as the rabbit hurried away, he took out a big watch from his pocket. When he was very hurried at that time, suddenly taking out one watch from his pocket. Okay, now third one, what was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? We all know that the rabbit we saw by Alice, it was actually very different from other rabbits. So here we can write answer: the rabbit that Alice saw could talk, wear a red waistcoat and carried a watch. So that was saw by Alice. It is talk and it is wear a red waistcoat and carried a watch and that coat. Okay. Now fourth one, what did Alice do and why? So here we can say that Alice followed the rabbit because he was curious to know more about that rabbit. Okay. Now fifth one, where did the rabbit go? So we all know that the rabbit directly jumped into the rabbit hole. Now sixth one, how did Alice reach Wonderland? We all know that the Alice reached Wonderland by following to that rabbit. So here we can write answer: Alice followed the rabbit and jumped into a large rabbit hole and reached Wonderland. Okay. Now question number 7 here. What strange things did Alice see? Alice saw a small door which was about 15 inches high and a glass table with golden keys. These are strange things which are saw by Alice. Okay, 15 inches high means the size of your textbook, that is a 15 inches related. So you can assume the size of your textbook, that is a 15 inches high. So that is similar size of that door. Now 8th one, what did Alice see when she opened the door? So when she opened the door, she saw a lovely garden with bright flowers and cool fountains in that rabbit hole. Okay. Now question number 9, describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. So here we can say that Alice saw a lovely garden. It had beds of flowers and cool fountains. Okay. Now question number 10, could Alice go into the garden and why? We all know that Alice could not go into the garden because the door size is very small. So here we can write here because the door was too small. Now last one and final one, what did the Alice wish and why? Alice wished she was become a smaller so that she could easily get into the garden through the small door. Okay, that is all about the questions answers of Alice in Wonderland. So with this we ending our session. In next session we will meet and fill up the further information about regarding this chapter. Okay, so bye bye, take care.